Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you one really useful function. I will show you how to create a new macro and apply it on your project in Audacity. If we would like to use macro to edit this track, we need to go to Tools, we need to go to Macro Manager, and here we have a list of available macros in Audacity. If you would like to add a new macro, you need to click here on New button, and then you need to enter a name of new macro. For example, I will type here simple macro and I click OK button. So here you can find the steps that may be used in your macro. So if you would like to insert here an effect, you need to click Insert button. First, I recommend you to use Select command. So I need to scroll to the right side and find here Select command. Here you have some options. Sometimes you may use Select or Select All. In this tutorial, I will use Select All function. It will let me to select all audio in this timeline. So I click on it and I click OK button. Now we need to insert effects that we want to use. So I click Insert button again. And for example, I select here Compressor. Then I click OK button. And of course, you can click double time here to change settings of compressor. So you can adjust here settings for your macro, and then you can click Apply button to make change. And now I maybe will insert one more effect, so I click Insert button again, and maybe I will find here Reverse. It will be really clear for us to check if it works. So here I have Reverse, I select it, and I click OK button. Remember that you can always move up and move down these commands. So for example, I can move up compressor, and here you have number of your steps. So first all track will be selected, after that compressor will be applied, then reverse effect will be applied, and then macro will be finished. So now we need to save change, so I click Save button, and now I can close this window. Then if I would like to use this macro, I need to go to Tools, I need to go to Apply macro, and I need to select macro that I want to use. So I select here simple macro that I have already created. I click here, and how you see our macro has been successfully used. So before change, it will look something like that. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. And after change, it will look something like that. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.